Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some Salisbury steak with peppers and onions with gravy over rice. Salisbury steak, yes, let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Check out my links below. Give me a comment, would you? Let me know what you like and don't like. Okay? Great. So right away I want to give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is fake it till you make it. Because one day you're going to make it. Fake it until you make it. Because one day you're going to make it. That means go through the motions, put things in action, continue working towards the goal, even though the goal seems like it's long away. Walk it, talk it, breathe it, and then one day you're going to see that you have made it. Fake it till you make it. That's the word of the day. Okay, let's get started. Olive oil is already heating up in the frying pan. Let's do it. Thumbs up. Okay, I have 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, and 1 onion, all large size. Put that in. I'm going to put some oil on the top. Okay, I'm going to put a cover on this and let this cook for about 5 minutes, and I'll bring you back. Okay, let's check on our peppers and onions. Okay, so I think that this is done enough. You don't want it where the vegetables turn gray. You need them a nice bright green color. So I'm going to put the vegetables in this container. Meanwhile, before we do that, I have on the ground beef pepper, lemon pepper, some garlic paste, granulated onion, and sassoon. Okay? Okay, now we want to make it the ground beef into the shape of a football. So you just grab some, like so, and then you're gonna, if it was a hamburger, you would flatten it down, right? But you don't want to do that. You want to shape it into the shape of a football. So you got it sort of like a pointed situation. This is a ½ pound of hamburger that I'm dealing with. That's 2. 3. And you want to try to make them all the same. So I'm going to take a little piece from this one so it can cook evenly if they're all the same as best you can. Okay, so now I have 4 Salisbury steaks shaped in the shape of a football. Let me wash my hands. Okay, these are the sauteed onions and peppers taken out. Now with the same frying pan, I don't want to wash it, I want to leave the flavor in there. I'm going to put the 4 Salisbury steaks in here. And this is the sauteed peppers and onions. And I put the same seasonings on everything, okay? Okay, I'm going to put the cover on here. And we're going to let that cook. Give me 5 minutes, I'll be back. Thanks. Okay, let's check on our, gotta wash that. 1 second. Okay, let's check on our Salisbury steak. And I have a thermometer here, and I'm looking for the temperature to be 155. Let's see where we're at. No, I'm only at 113. Okay, and now we're gonna have gravy over this, okay? So you can see the flavor that we're looking for. The nice beef flavor. This is another switch that you can do instead of just having a hamburger all the time. see I'm trying to get it up on its side. Okay, we're at 135. Let me turn the fire down some. And the balance we're going to let cook. The other 10 degrees we're going to let cook in the gravy so that the flavor can drop down in that gravy. Okay, I'm going to get another frying pan and come right back. Okay? One sec. Okay, so I have in here 3 ounces of water total. So I have some brown gravy. If you don't have gravy mix, I could have poured the oil off the frying pan and put flour in the bottom of the frying pan with without washing it, and then made gravy in that way with water. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3 heaping tablespoons of brown gravy. This is in a clean frying pan. Okay, I'm going to let that start getting thick. Okay. It's a light color. I want a little more beef flavor, so I'm going to add 1 more. So that's 4 heaping tablespoons of brown gravy. Yeah, that's a darker color. Okay, and I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, so our gravy is getting thick. So now's the time to put the Salisbury steak in, so it can cook the other 10 degrees. Uh-oh, splash everywhere. Okay, I put some of the peppers and onions in the gravy. I'm going to pour any little bit of juice that's on here into the gravy for flavor. And the balance of it I'm going to leave to put on the top as a garnishment. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook for about 2 more minutes. I'm going to make sure the temp is at 155, and then I'm going to plate it up to show you. Okay, give me a second. Thank you. Oh, 3 minutes actually. Okay, guys. This is our Salisbury steak with peppers, onions, gravy, and rice. Look at that, huh? So you notice how I put the Salisbury steak one in front of the other, and then I line the peppers and onions right in the crease so it looks like a pretty display, right? Okay. Okay, so let me taste. Okay, I'm going to take a taste. Salisbury steak, peppers and onions. Oh wow. The sauteed onions and peppers make that Salisbury steak pop. Delicious. Rice and gravy. That's a great meal. The family will like it, and I hope you do too. Okay, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for hanging around. Subscribe. Talk to you soon. Give me a comment. Bye-bye.